This last video is going to show you how to find the area of a triangle given the coordinates. A, B, C, D, and E, F. So you have your three vertices. We're going to use a determinant. So remember, area is half base times height normally. With coordinate geometry, we can put these into a matrix. So we're going to do 1/2, just like the 1/2 base times height, times the determinant. And then we're going to list out the points to start with: A, B, C, D, E, F. Now the key with a determinant is it needs to be a square matrix, so a 2x2 or a 3x3. To make this into a square matrix without changing the values, we're going to put a column of 1s. And then at the end, you're going to take the absolute value of your final answer. So although they look like absolute value symbols, remember it means to find the determinant, and then you're going to take the absolute value of your answer if it does come out negative. So we're going to do one quick example. Okay, so those are your 3 points: 3, -4, 5, 4, and -3, 2. Your area is going to be 1/2, 3, -4, 1, 5, 4, 1, -3, 2, 1. And then what I would just do is make sure you multiply by 1/2 at the end. So I'm going to just do the expansion method one more time. It'll be 3, cover up the row and column, 4, 1, 2, 1, minus a -4. So that's going to end up becoming a +4. 5, 1, -3, 1, and then +1 times the determinant 5, 4, -3, 2. And then you can go further. I'm not going to do all the rest of the math for this. When you calculate this out, you should get a final area of 30. So you'll get 60 before dividing by 2. You really want to make sure that you don't forget the 1/2 and the dividing by 2 in the front. So think 1/2 base times height. The base times height is calculated by the determinant. And that's it for your notes videos. So you should be able to use this now to do the practice for determinants. Again, the determinant itself is a building block for solving systems of equations with matrices later on. So we're going to put together this with multiplying matrices to do that process.